Content creation is one of the biggest industries at the moment. A vast number of content creators are making huge money on various platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and others. However, creating engaging content that can bring quick success is not a bed of roses. You have to select the perfect niche. Write an engaging script, shoot videos with a high-quality camera, collect B-roll footage, and finally, edit them with a complex video editor. It's a laborious and time-consuming process. But the good news is that now, with the help of AI, you can create high-quality content videos within a few clicks in today's video. I will introduce such a text-to-video tool, which can be your best assistant on the content creation journey. So without further ado, let's dive in. This is Died, and you are watching AI Mentor. Imagine crafting content 10 times faster without compromising quality. What could this unlock for your business, your campaigns, your community, your team, and even your wildest dreams? VideoGen could be your best assistant. VideoGen is an AI-powered video generator for people who value their time. To find VideoGen AI, open your browser and search for VideoGen on your search engine. After getting the search result, enter the first link. This is the VideoGen homepage. Now to create our video, simply click on Get Started. It's free from here, and then create an account. Once you successfully log into your account, your interface will look like this. On the left side of the page, you will find some options. In the middle of the page, there is a tutorial video. You can watch the video for a better understanding. Okay, at the top of the tutorial video, you will find two options. Generate a video and add your brand. Let's create a video. Click on Generate a Video from here. You will get three options. First, with the AI prompt option, you can generate videos from a text prompt. With the second option, Website, you can turn any web page into a video. And in the end, if you already have a video script, then select the third option. Alright, let's generate a video with the AI prompt option. First of all, we have to describe our video in this box. Try to provide as much data as possible. For example, I want to make a video on a horror story, so I'm typing, make a horror story video about a writer moves into a secluded house to work on a novel and discovers the attic is haunted by the former owner who insists on dictating a very different story. After entering the prompt, set the video duration. If you want to generate videos longer than 2 minutes, click here. This time I am going with 2 minutes. After setting the duration, set the writing style. There are various writing styles available here. I am selecting the engaging style. After all is set, hit the Generate Script button, and here it is. Our video script is ready. Now review the script and do some customization if needed. After completing the script customization, come to the Scene tab. Here you will find three options. Fast, medium, and slow. I want a fast-paced scene changing, so I'm selecting fast from here. After that, come to the Music tab. Here you will find nearly 1 million copyright-free stock music clips. Just find the best music clip and select the music clip. After that, come to the Voice tab. Here you will find more than 140 voice actors in 40+ languages. Listen to some of them and then select the perfect one to start creating. After selecting the voice-over, come to the Captions tab. You can use custom captions or select one template preset. I will select this one. Okay, after all is set, hit the Generate button from here. Now VideoGen will take some time to analyze the script and generate the scenes in voice-over for us. Let's fast forward this part, and here it is. Our video is ready. Let's have a look. Moving into this secluded house would be the perfect setting to finally finish my novel, The Peace and Quiet, The Solitude. It was all I needed to focus on my writing, but it's quite a good video. But we can make it better by doing some customization. Basically, we have to do some customization because the AI is not so perfect. At this moment, at the bottom of the page, you will find the scene. Now, if you want to customize any scene, drag the cursor on it, and you will find some options. The first is Regenerate. If you want to change the media automatically by AI, then select this option. If you want to use your own media from the computer, then select the second option. And if you want to choose from the stock library, then select the third option. Here, you will find more than 3 million copyright-free stock videos, and most importantly, they are safe for commercial use. Search for your desired stock footage, and then select the best one you can split or delete the video clip to. In this way, review all of the video clips and customize them if needed. Now, if you want to customize the voiceover or text, you can do it from the left side tool panel. Alright, let's have a look at the final video.
Until one day I found an old journal hidden away in a dusty corner of the attic. The journal belonged to the former owner of the house, a writer just like me. As I flipped through the pages, I felt a chill run down my spine.
How was this? Let me know in the comments section. Okay, after all is set, hit the download button. Now select the video resolution and then hit the download MP4 button. Now, if you want to download the video, you have to buy a subscription. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video. Now, before that, I would love to hear your opinion about the video generator AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!